Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Salesforce data to Power BI. This powerful integration allows you to transform your customer relationship management data into actionable business intelligence. We'll focus on using Power BI Desktop's native Salesforce connector, which provides a straightforward way to bring your Salesforce objects or reports directly into Power BI for analysis. This method is widely used and highly effective for gaining valuable insights from your CRM data. Before connecting, a few essential setup steps are required. First, confirm you have an active Salesforce account with API access enabled. This is crucial for the connection. You can check this in your Salesforce profile settings. Also, make sure your Power BI desktop application is the latest version for optimal performance. Finally, within Salesforce session settings, disable the option to lock sessions to the IP address from which they originated to prevent connection issues. Now let's establish the connection. In Power BI Desktop, navigate to the Home tab and click Get Data. Search for Salesforce and select either Salesforce Objects for raw data or Salesforce Reports for predefined reports. Choose your Salesforce environment, typically production, then sign in using your Salesforce username and password. After successful authentication, you will grant Power BI permission to access your data. Finally, select the specific objects or reports you wish to import and load them. Once your data is connected, you'll want to keep it updated. Publish your Power BI report to the Power BI service, where you can then configure scheduled refreshes for your dataset. This ensures your reports always display the latest information. Remember, the Salesforce Reports connector has a row limit of 2,000, so for larger datasets, use the Salesforce Objects connector. To optimize performance, always select only the specific fields you need, avoiding overly complex queries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.